Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to lower audio volume in Premiere Pro. It's actually really simple. As you can see, I have this clip and this music. The audio volume is way too much for me. I want to lower it, so in order to lower audio of the entire timeline, I will have to go over here to mix. If you don't see it, then just scroll down with this scroll bar and you should find mix and lower it by dragging it to the left. So let's say I will lower it by 8 decibels, and right now it is much better. I can also lower some clips individually, so only this audio I can drag from this line, or I can click on this track 2 times to make it larger to make it better. And right now I can drag it down to make it, for example, minus 20 decibels. But right now I will play it and it's actually really lower audio. But remember, if you do it this way, it will affect only this audio clip. If I had another audio clip down here and I play with this one, as you can see, I will add audio on this one. It will not add on this one as well. So if you want both of them, do them apart, or do them by once, just by this mix. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.